Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to help this guy out. I have sent him a message, but watch this video for a second.
Threaten me, bro. You say you got my license plate. That's a threat.
Find a new job.
This is my job. What am I gonna do?
License plate.
I know.
I have everybody's license plate. This is
You threatened me. You say you have my.
I used to be in this position. Basically, what happened is he was driving these passengers. They wanted to add a stop. They were changing the destination. They were giving him a hard time. And this Uber driver is having a hard time. And he's arguing and he's fighting with his customers. Do you think he's going to last on the Uber platform? No. If this video goes viral, he's in trouble and he won't even be able to sleep in his car. So I sent him a message and I'm hoping he responds and emails me so I can get in touch with him and help this brother out, because you don't want to be in this position. My friends, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, don't worry. I'm going to break it down. Right now, let me give you an update from yesterday and what my strategy is for today. Today we are at $1,326, 33 hours active, and as you can see down here, this is the magic number. 45 trips. Just process that. I'll let you sit with it for a little bit, and if you want to ask me questions how I do that, let me know. Yesterday I did my first consulting call with Mr. Adam. He's also on my WhatsApp group. Now we're helping each other daily. Next time he's ready for in a week, we're going to see how he does, and then I'm going to give him another conversation, another call, helping him with spirituality, although he's an atheist, helping him with Uber driving and being abundant. And I don't mind, I help everybody, right? But, you know, I got to get paid too at the same time. I got bills to pay. Let me show you what I ended up doing for last night. Last night, if you look over here, all right, last night, $243 is for a Saturday. And look at the trips again. Trips are 8 trips. Here, I'll draw an 8 for you guys right here. 8 trips. Just process that for a little bit. Let that sink in. $243 in 8 trips. Yeah, the trolls go out there and say you're online 9 hours or 12 hours or 15 hours. Well, I'm creating stuff like this. Trolls are not smart enough to understand this, right? But I'm trying to teach you guys what's more important, focusing on your YouTube channel or focusing on Uber, or doing both, right? The gentleman whose video I'm showing you in the background, let me show you a little bit more, because we got to help this guy out before he gets deactivated. Watch the rest of the video.
You say you have my information. I don't know what you're gonna do with it. It's cool. It is a threat.
I have your license.
Anyways, have a good day, brother.
Bro, get out of here. Go.
I can go wherever I want,
You're
bro.
not the government. You're not. You shouldn't be doing this job, bro. You're about to get fired. Trust me.
How am I gonna get fired, dude? I'm gonna call Uber right now. Thank you,
And
too.
my friend,
Hey,
calling Uber is not going to do anything. I'm trying to help this guy out. Pay us drivers, subscribe, comment on his video, help his channel grow, and this is how we do it, my friends. My channel is growing. If you look over here, 367 followers right here. 367 followers in how long? 2-3 months, right? Trying to get it to 500. If you look over here, and once it's at $500, I mean $500 would be nice. If you look right here, trying to get it to 500, and then public hours are 1,210. We're going to try to get them to 3,000. That's it. Once this channel is being able to monetize in less than 2 months, I want to teach you how to make your YouTube channel, whether it's about Uber, whether it's about spirituality, whether it's about anything you want to work on. This will bring you money while you drive Uber. Eventually you can add sponsors, advertisers, merchandise, and then you can retire from Uber. I'm doing that for myself. I'm going to teach you how to do it. My name is Ahmed Mustefa Ahmed. And now let's go to the fun stuff. What is my plan for today? My plan is simple. I'm going to not turn it on because there's nothing going on. We're going to go like this. Well, I guess it's going to get turned on anyways. Let me show you what my route is today. And this is the route that I've perfected for myself out here. 9 out of 10 times it works for me. Number 1, I check here. Number 2, I check here. Number 3, I check here. Number 4, I end up here. By the time I do 1, 2, 3, 4, I generally can make $30 to $40. To process that, my first ride normally is $30 to $40 every day. Well, sometimes it's 20 bucks. And that's my minimum, $15 to $20. Now, I gotta go get some gas. Sounds weird, huh? I gotta go get some gas for my car at Costco, then I'll turn the app on. For now, when I drive, this is, basically I'm telling you this because Adam was asking me yesterday, he's like, hey, when do you turn your app on? When do you turn your app off? Right now. I turned it on, we tested it out, there's nothing. Now I'm gonna go to Costco. Once I get to Costco, you're gonna get another update from me. Once you get another update from me at Costco, I'll get gas, I'll turn the app on for 5-10 minutes. Then Uber has an opportunity to give me $15 to $20 to get me out of Costco and going towards Burbank Airport or going towards Los Angeles or going towards Woodland Hills. If it doesn't take me down the mountain, and let me show you where the mountains is. Right here. If Uber, I'm gonna try here. If it doesn't take me down the mountain this way or this way, I'm not going. I'm not going that way. I'm not going that way, right? This is a no-no. This is a no-no. And by the way, no-no is your private part in my culture. I'm just letting you know. You don't want to say that word. It's your pee-pee, okay? No-no. Hey, you know what? We got to crack some jokes in here, right? I'm not a comedian, but I got to try. All right, at Costco, you get my next update. Just got to Costco, and on the left, you can see my homeboy, Chicago rideshare master. I've listened to 14 minutes of him talking. I like his new video because now I can see what Chicago looks like. And this is how I support other Uber drivers. That 14 minutes is going to help his YouTube channel. There's a like, and if you look down here, there's a comment. I like the new energy and I like the new sound bits. He was doing something like da 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 da. I'm not a singer, so I can't do that. I love it. Good job, brother. Stay blessed, and your energy gives me energy and keeps me going. I motivate him, he motivates me. I've noticed every few days he comments on my videos. I literally watch his videos for 15-20 minutes every few days. He puts up a new video, I last around 15-20 minutes because once I get a passenger, I get going. Sometimes I forget. Now I'm gonna get gas at Costco, and look at what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this on, and I'm listening, right? If something bites, I'll come and take a look at it. If nothing bites, it's 9:12 in the morning. I'm gonna park, and I'm just gonna chill. Maybe I'm gonna work on my thumbnails. I want to get to Burbank, so maybe I'll give the app 7 minutes. Then I want to get to Burbank Airport and hit that 9 o'clock in the morning rush because I got up a little bit late today. I was taking some notes. It's barking in the background. Let's take a look. For $10, you're gonna try to match me? Oh, too late. Oh, I'm so sorry, Uber. I was just reading it and I was like, oh my God, that $10 might be $100, but you know what? For $10, go to hell. You guys know the drill. Go to hell. Okay, I'm putting in my gas details real quick. Okay, let's go over the,